I'm Charlie the Metalhead Maker. I want to show you how I made these Slayer guitar pick coasters. Slayer! that's it for this project. Very simple to make. Didn't take too long. These are made out of 1/4-inch Baltic birch plywood. I made some stencils out of blank stencil material that you can get at pretty much any craft store. I made the blood splatter is just watered down acrylic paint, which was red. Then to glue on the labels, I used Mod Podge. The best way I find to do it is you put on a thin layer of Mod Podge, put the label in, press it in real good, and then let it dry completely, at least 30 minutes, and then you can put another layer on top. Then I finished everything off with some gloss spray lacquer. A better material to use would be tung oil or something that's a little more water resistant. These will work just fine, but you may, if you just use the spray lacquer, you may end up bubbling. You may get some water rings or marks or something on the coaster. You may end up damaging the finish. You may want to use something that's a little more water resistant or waterproof. If you have any questions or any comments, leave those in the section below. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at MetalheadMaker. And if you're lucky enough, you'll see where I leave these at Nationwide Arena tomorrow in Columbus, Ohio. There's going to be 15. And if you're following me on Instagram, you'll know where I leave them. And good luck. Happy hunting. And I'll see you in the next project video. Until next time, stay metal.